Transform your entire look in just 24 hours with zero cost and all natural hacks. Glow-ups don't have to take months or expensive treatments. With the right tricks, you can look almost unrecognizable in a single day. Fresh, confident, and glowing, all completely free. Look, if you want to fake a full night's sleep and show up looking alive, water's your secret weapon. Weirdly simple, but it works. Dehydration totally snitches on you. Hello, crusty lips, zombie under eyes, and skin as dull as Monday morning. Just start drinking more water and bam! Within a few hours, you start to look, well, less dead. Not even joking. Don't go gulping down a gallon at once like you're in a hydration contest. Spread it out. 2, maybe 3 liters. Just sip on it all day. If plain water's a snooze fest, throw in some lemon, cucumber, or mint. Suddenly you're fancy and apparently detoxing. Or at least pretending to be. I swear, by late afternoon, your face looks less puffy, your lips get smoother, and your brain even starts to work again. But look, hydration's not just about guzzling water. It's also about dodging stuff that makes you balloon up. Ditch the salty snacks, those neon energy drinks, and all that processed trash, at least for today. Trust me, your face will thank you. If you're feeling extra, kick off your morning with warm lemon water. It's got big, I've got my life together energy and kind of helps digestion do its thing. Carry your water bottle everywhere. Annoying, but it works. By the time you're winding down at night, you might actually recognize your own reflection. Cheekbones? Hello again. Real talk. Hydration is the cheat code. Skin creams and hair masks are cool, but if you're dry as a raisin, they won't save you. Change up just this one habit, and in 24 hours, people start asking what serum you're using. It's water, babe. Just try it for a day. Glow up incoming. No filter needed. Once your body is hydrated, the next step is giving your skin a deep refresh. You don't need a salon facial or expensive products to get results. You can achieve the same glow at home with natural ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Here's the 4-step process. Cleanse, exfoliate, steam, and mask. Step 1. Cleanse. Start with a gentle cleanse to wash away dirt, oil, and sweat. If you don't have a store-bought cleanser, no problem. Mix gram flour with a little water. It works as a natural cleanser that removes impurities without stripping your skin. Massage it gently in circular motions and rinse with lukewarm water. Step 2. Exfoliate. Next, it's time to exfoliate. Dead skin cells create a rough texture and block the glow underneath. For a free scrub, mix sugar with honey. It's gentle but effective. If you want something stronger, coffee grounds work too, and they also boost circulation. Massage lightly for 1 to 2 minutes, focusing on areas like your nose and chin. Don't overdo it. Gentle scrubbing is enough to reveal brighter, smoother skin. Step 3. Steam. This is where the magic happens. Take a bowl of hot water, lean over it, and cover your head with a towel to trap the steam. Stay for about 5 minutes, letting the steam open your pores and soften blackheads. This simple step makes your skin much more receptive to the mask you'll apply next. Step 4. Mask. Now seal the deal with a DIY mask tailored to your skin type. Oily skin. Mix Multani Mitti, Fuller's Earth with rose water for oil control. Dry skin. Mash a ripe banana with honey for deep hydration. Normal skin. Blend curd with a pinch of turmeric for brightness and smoothness. Apply your mask evenly and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water. The results? Instantly brighter skin, a smoother texture, and a natural radiance that no highlighter can fake. This DIY facial is a game changer because it doesn't just make your skin look good for a few hours. It resets the surface, unclogs pores, and refreshes your entire face. Do this once during your 24-hour glow-up, and you'll see a huge difference. Pair it with your hydration reset, and your skin will look clearer, tighter, and more alive, like you've just come back from a spa day, but without spending a dime. Your hair can completely change how you look in just one day. Think about it. Shiny, smooth hair instantly makes you look polished, while frizzy, dull hair can bring your whole appearance down. Luckily, you don't need a salon visit or fancy products for a quick hair glow-up. Start with a good rinse. After shampooing, finish your wash with cold water instead of hot. Why? Because cold water helps seal the hair cuticles, locking in moisture and giving your strands a natural shine. It also reduces frizz, which is a major game changer for summer hair. Next, let's talk conditioning. Skip the expensive leave-in products. Nature has you covered. Aloe vera gel is one of the best free conditioners out there. Just scoop out some fresh gel and apply it lightly to your damp hair. It hydrates without making your scalp greasy. If aloe isn't available, coconut oil works wonders. Warm up a small amount in your palms and run it through the ends of your hair to reduce dryness and add shine. Now for the style reset. A quick hairstyle change can make you almost unrecognizable. For a fresh, youthful vibe, try braids. For something sleek and confident, go for a slicked back bun. And if you want an instant lift, a high ponytail works like magic. It sharpens your features and gives you that effortless but chic look. You want to know what's wild? How flipping fast this beauty hack works. It's basically witchcraft for your hair. Like, you stroll in with a flat, frizzy mop, and under an hour later, boom, you're out here rocking glossy. Did she just leave the salon? Hair. Silky hair isn't just hair. When it's shiny, even your face seems to light up, like someone upgraded your glow setting. Way more satisfying than whatever filter Instagram's peddling, that's for sure. But here's the thing. It's not just hair. Your whole body's got skin in the game. Literally. Looking refreshed? That's half movement, half ninja-level body care. And none of it needs weeks of sweating buckets or some cringy gym grind. Honestly, one solid self-care day and, no joke, results show up fast. First up, get your body moving. It doesn't matter if you can't stand the gym. Just carve out 20 minutes. Dance around, hustle through the park, rope jump or huff your way through a lazy person HIIT YouTube video. Sweat isn't just about thinking you earned fries. It literally wakes up your skin, flushing out the blah stuff, and suddenly your face looks alive, like you just stumbled upon buried treasure. Even if it's just one session. Now, after sweating your soul out, cold shower, baby. It's like pressing refresh on your whole body. Pores snap shut, puffiness flees the scene, and that cold water blast makes your skin looks firmer. Kind of like you've been risen from the dead, but make it fashionable. On to exfoliation. Your body's top layer is basically old news. Dead skin piling up, making everything dull. Here's the good stuff. Grab sugar and lemon. Yeah, out of your kitchen. Scrub it on while you shower. Sugar's the muscle and lemon's the brightener. Arms, legs, whatever you flex on IG. Rub it in, rinse off, and you're smooth as a dolphin. Actually, even better, because dolphins don't smell like citrus. And don't skip hydration. Seriously. Slather on coconut oil if you're feeling tropical, or aloe if you're sunburn prone and basic. Cheap but makes skin feel like satin sheets. More glow goddess, less forgot to moisturize for 3 years. After this whole reset, you actually move differently. Your skin's shining. You let your shoulders relax for once. Call it beach-ready energy, even if the only beach nearby is the cringe sandpit at the park. Guaranteed confidence boost, pinky swear. Eyebrows and eyes? Total game changer. Honestly, they're the first thing people clock when they meet you. No lie. You don't need some bougie brow kit either. Just brush them up. Spoolie, toothbrush, whatever. If the brows rebel, slick a little coconut oil through. It keeps them tamed and adds some euphoria vibes, but not in a scary way. Even lazy brows add structure. Makes your entire face look deliberate, like you didn't just roll out of bed, even if you did. Now let's talk tired eyes. Everyone's guilty. Too much TikTok, too little sleep, and way too many just one more episode. For depuffing, raid your fridge, chilled cucumber, or even cold spoons if you're feeling old school. 10 minutes, gentle press. Suddenly, you're less raccoon and more woodland sprite. Extra mile? Gently tap coconut oil or aloe under your eyes. Pretend you're in a fancy spa commercial and reap the circulation boost. Fewer fine lines, brighter under eyes, and people actually believe you're rested. Ha! I mean, what's not to love? In 20 minutes, you trick the world, and maybe yourself, into thinking you had a full night's sleep. Clean brows plus fresh eyes? That's a shortcut to main character energy, my friend. And once you've got shiny hair, radiant skin, all that jazz, your outfit seals the deal. Don't stress shopping sprees. Nobody needs that. Just smarter color choices. Rock light shades, white, pastels, baby blue, mint, peach, or whatever looks like you stole it from clouds. Instantly brighter. Skip the moody darks unless you're doing mysterious poet trolling the beach in winter. Even a plain white t-shirt? Chef's kiss. It's kind of wild how little tweaks, without spending big, can make you feel brand new. Now go forth, spill your own tea, and unleash your accidental glow up. Listen, fabric's a game changer. Maybe even more important than color, honestly. Have you ever spent a summer slogging around in some synthetic, sweaty nightmare instead of breezy cotton or linen? Rookie mistake. For actual comfort plus style, stick with the classics. Even that old cotton tee you nearly tossed last year? Rock it with good jeans or some decent shorts. Tuck it in, hike up those sleeves, slap on a belt. Suddenly, you're pulling off this polished, I totally did this on purpose look, without even trying too hard. Little changes, big difference. Now, if you're lazy but want to look like you put in effort, same. Accessories are your secret shortcut. One loud piece, think chunky hoops, that obnoxiously chic watch you splurged on. Stacks of bracelets, killer sunglasses. Boom, the outfit levels up. Just don't overdo it, or you'll look like a Christmas tree got into your closet. Minimalism is your friend. Make one thing pop. Let the rest chill. Don't sleep on footwear. Fresh sneakers, simple sandals, even loafers. Easy win for that crisp vibe. Oh, and stuff like clean nails or not lugging around a battered bag? It matters. Tiny, almost free touches that basically shout, I care about myself. Which, you know, is good. But here's what really gets overlooked. Your vibe. Confidence, posture, all that intangible energy. You could wear the most basic outfit on earth, but if you stand tall, strut a little, and act like you meant to turn heads, suddenly it's high fashion. Summer glow isn't just in your skin or a new haircut. It's the way you carry yourself. People totally notice. Actually, forget about the clothes for a sec and just start upstairs. In your own head. Best upgrade? Mental reset. Grab a notebook, zone out and journal, or meditate for 10 minutes. Yeah, it sounds woo-woo, but it genuinely clears your mind and makes you chill out. Happier thoughts, less stress, and more general main character energy. Posture's the next hack, swear. Shoulders back, chin up, not in a fake way, just aware. You'll look like you just strolled off a better planet. Add that to glowing skin, shiny hair, and a solid outfit. And honestly, people will start noticing even if you barely changed anything. And here's another one. Smile. Not the awkward, forced yearbook pose, just grin for real. Your brain likes it. You'll feel a bit better, and other folks will vibe with it too. Throw in some stretches if you're feeling fancy. Move your arms, roll your neck, or whatever gets the blood pumping. Suddenly, you look more awake, more, I've got my life together, even if you totally don't. In the end, it all comes down to how you present yourself. It's not about some impossible idea of perfection, just owning your space, mixing mental health with fresh style and decent posture. That's the magic trick people can't always put their finger on, but they notice. Real story. The biggest glow up comes from inside, and in 24 hours, you can look borderline unrecognizable if you set your mind to it. Skin, style, energy, and attitude all syncing up. That's the real secret sauce. In just one day, you can achieve clearer skin, shinier hair, a toned body, sharp brows, stylish outfits, and boosted confidence, all without spending a dime. These natural, free hacks prove that a full summer glow up is possible in just 24 hours.